Hi, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you some more exercises that can be done with the small ball. Please read the disclaimer first on my channel before you start any of them. Each exercise will be repetitions of 10 with 2 sets on the leg. To start, feet hip distance apart and tummy pulled in. Taking the ball just in front of my eyes with my arms framing my face. I'm going to breathe in and lean over to one side. Exhale to come up. Over onto the other side and come up. Breathe in and breathe out. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Taking the ball between my elbows and clasping my hands together. I'll turn to the side so you can see. I'm going to squeeze the ball and release. Squeeze the ball and release. Working pectoral muscles. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Now I'm going to push my hands upwards and return them. Push and down. Push and down. Breathe out and in. I've got 4, 2 and 1. Bringing the ball now in between my thighs, squeezing my feet as close as I can together and squeezing that ball in between my thighs. I'm going to breathe in, bend my knees, bring my arms out in front into a small squat and squeeze my glutes to come up. Breathe in and breathe out, keeping my head, neck and back all in alignment. I've got 4. Squeeze those glutes. Oh, well done. Now I'm going to lay on my side and place the ball behind my knee. The hardest part of this exercise is actually keeping the ball there. So my knees are stacked one on top of the other, my feet tucked behind. Breathe in and I'm lifting the knee and the foot and lowering down. Holding that ball there. I've got 4. I'm going to hold this one here for small pulses, so that's an inch back and an inch forward. 4. And I'm lowering my leg back down. 4, 2, and holding this last one for pulses. Well done. Slowly come up and turn to the other side. Bending the knees. Are we ready? Lift and down. If you feel as though that ball is going to run away, just bend the knee even more. I've got 4, 2, hold this one here, 10 pulses. Lower and then lift in. I've got 4, 2, hold this last one, pulses, pulse back and forward. Well done. Laying down onto my back with the ball in between my knees. I'm going to bring the knees into my chest and return my feet to the floor. Breathe in, lift the knees and back down. Breathe out and in. I've got 4. Squeezing that ball. Well done, feet to the floor. I'm going to lift my back into a bridge. Are we ready? And lift, squeeze those glutes and down. Lift, squeeze those glutes and down, and squeezing that ball. I've got 4. I'm now going to put those 2 exercises together. Are we ready? Breathe in. Knees to the chest, feet to the floor, into the bridge. Squeezing that ball. Hang on in there, we've got 4. 2 and 1. Hold that bridge, squeeze that ball, 10 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, squeeze. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Oh, well done. Taking the ball behind my back, the lowest point. And just leaning slightly back with my hands by my ears, elbows to my side. Breathe in, small lean back. Use your abdominals, muscles to pull you up, down, and up. We've got 4. And now, when I lean back and lift up, I'm going to do a small rotation to one side. Lean back, over to the other side. Lean back to one side. Lean back to the other side. I've got 4. 2, and last one. Hamstring stretch. Place the ball onto one side and place the opposite hand on it. Extend the other arm. Breathe in and roll the ball. One small movement, rolling that ball. And come back. Take the ball to the other side. Extend the other arm. Breathe in. Exhale. Hold that stretch. And come back up. If you enjoyed that, give me the thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.